Good.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. US continue to show strength after last week strong up move. The gain are continue to hold on in lake of any negative news. Market is seeing showing some strong strength over there. Apart from that, uh, the futures of the US market are more of a flattish, and Asian markets are also indicating positive trend, except Japan and New Zealand, which are down, but all other markets are showing positive signals. Commodities are also more of a sideway to silent today. Nothing, no major activity, except oil has come up by around $1 from the same time price yesterday. Tomorrow, RBI meeting is there, and the expectations are that the CRR and repo rate both are expected to remain constant. CRR at 4.5 and repo rate at 6.5. Both are expected to remain constant. The key thing to watch is whether any change in the stand of the RBI, whether they turn the outlook to neutral, and also the inflation expectations, what RBI gives for Q1. There is a possibility that the Q1 inflation, which RBI had said earlier of 5.1%, which may come off in this meeting, whereas the expectations of uh, the current month inflation, that is uh, the figure which will be coming on 12th of June, will be at around 4.7, which is lower than the RBI expectation of 5.1. So quite possible RBI may reduce the expectation of inflation in the near term, which may sound bit positive for the market, and one should keep a watch on that. So overall seems outlook seems positive for the today's market. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. So as we have seen in Nifty from last 5 to 6 trading sessions, we are seeing a sideways move. And even in the yesterday's session, Nifty has made a U-shaped recovery, but it was mostly in the last 45 minutes of the market. The major resistance with Nifty is facing a plays at 18,670. Once that is broken on closing basis, then only we'll see the upward level of 18,770 to 18,840. What I mean to say here is there will be a strong rally once the Nifty closes above 18,670 levels. Whereas if we witness a profit booking from this level, then 18,530 to 450 will act as very strong zone. From last 7 8 sessions, we are checking 18,500 as being a very strong support zone for Nifty. Moving on to Bank Nifty, similar pattern has been seen. Bank Nifty it has shown a sideways move, but in yesterday's session, Bank Nifty has performed well as compared to Nifty. The immediate resistance for Bank Nifty is currently placed at 44,500. From last so many sessions, it's again not it's not again broken on the closing basis. Once that is broken, then we'll see a good rally in Bank Nifty, which will take Bank Nifty towards 44,780 to 45,000 levels. Whereas the immediate support, which is going to be a very strong support zone and psychological support zone for Bank Nifty, it will be placed at 44,000 levels, followed by 43,770. Financial Nifty, moving on to Nifty Financial Services, it has given a strong closing above 19,500 levels. The immediate resistance for this index is placed around 19,580. Once we witness a closing above that, then 19,650 to 19,700 levels will be seen. Whereas the immediate support for this index is placed at 19,450, followed by 19,370. Moving on to stocks, Ramco Cement is looking good at current levels. It has given a consolidation breakout in yesterday's trading session. The volumes are also quite decent, and it is well placed above 920. So we can take a buy call in this above 920 for a target of 946 by keeping a strict stop loss of 907. We have already initiated a buy call on this stock. We request everyone to trade with strict stop losses. That's all from my side. I request Nirav to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ayush. On the derivative front, the one change in data is that 18500 put did shed some open interest yesterday, even though we are, largely flat in terms of closing. You have seen liquidation in 18500 put strike. We've closed above 18600 levels comfortably. So that's a negative sign. There are possibilities of some selling coming in for the next couple of trading sessions where 18500 might be tested. Then, probably from there some bounce can come in. But at this point of time, the data is slightly negative. Open interest is still at very comfortable levels. Also, PCR and VIX are at comfortable levels. So nothing to worry there. But next couple of days, trade with strict stop losses. There can be some knee-jerk reaction in the market to retest the 18500 levels and then a bounce from there. From a stock specific front, we saw Maruti do very well yesterday. Most of the stocks, were largely flat, except for the cement pack. Cement as a whole did very well. So JK Cement, India Cement, Ramco Cement, as I said, even Ultratech, all of those attracted a lot of long positions, and there are likely to be further longs in this, stocks, and they are likely to move up. Also, as I said, banking, Axis and IndusInd continue to perform well, so there is likely to be further buying in these stocks along with IDFC First. They have witnessed a price volume breakout along with good rise in open interest on the long side. So these are the stocks to focus on. Yeah. So that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Torrent Power has signed an MOU with Government of Maharashtra for 3 pumped storage hydro projects of 5,700 megawatt capacity. This is positive. Vatek Wabag has secured an order of 420 crores for design build operation of water treatment plant with capacity of 270 million liters per day at Raigad for SIDCO. EPC's part of the order is to be completed within 42 months, followed by O&M, which will take which will be spent over 15-year period. So this is positive for Vatek Wabag. Mazagon Dock shipbuilders and Germany's ThyssenKrupp are likely to come together to jointly bid for a project to supply 6 submarines for Indian Navy at a cost of rupees 45,000 crores. So there will be other companies also in the fray. There is talk that L&T might also bid for this project, but sentimentally this is positive for Mazagon Dock. Also, non-life insurance data for the month of May has come out. The whole industry grew by 18% year on year to 18,000 crores. Among the companies, ICICI Lombard witnessed the highest growth at 21%, followed by Star Health and Allied Insurance at 16%. while companies which underperformed were Bajaj Allianz, which grew by 12%, New India Assurance grew by 10%, and Aditya Birla Health grew by 3%. Thank you.
Yeah. Uh, I'll request the commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are expecting a pullback in gold and silver prices. Yesterday, we had seen prices trading in a positive momentum, though silver corrected from the highs, but still one can initiate a buy in silver around 71,700 and maintain a stop loss of 71,100. It seems to be a good support area. So unless that is broken, the momentum should continue upside. On upside, 72,500 to 73,000 is expected. And gold, we are expecting prices to test 60,000 100 to 350 levels on upside. However, from 60,300, one should remain cautious in long and take profit around that levels. And one can initiate a buy around 59 850 and maintain a stop loss of 59,700. 59,700 seems to be a good support area. So as long as it is holding above that, one should maintain a buy. Crude, one can initiate a buy around 59,000 and maintain a stop loss of 58.10. On upside again, 60,000 to 60,050. This is the broader range we are looking at. It is testing 58,000 on 5800 on lower end and max to max 6100 is the resistance zone. So it is trading within this range, and for the trading purpose, one can initiate a buy around 5900. Natural gas also, we expect prices to trade positive, and one should buy with a stop loss of one 175. On upside again, 195 200 is the target we are looking for. In metal front, copper one can initiate a buy around 718 and keep a stop loss of 712. On upside again, 725 is the resistance area. So unless breaching 725, then again we can see some more upside in the metal. Zinc also is looking attractive, and we expect prices to test 215 on upside. So buying around 210 and maintaining a stop loss of 207. Uh, that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session for the USD INR, one can initiate a short positions in the range of 82.68 to 82.72 levels with a stop loss of 82.81175 for the target of 82.55 and 82.40 levels. And one can initiate also long positions in the range of 82.45 levels with a strict stop loss of 82.39 levels for the target of 82.60 and 82.65 levels. In JVP INR, one can initiate the long positions in the range of 59.60 to 59.50 levels with a strict stop loss of 59.25 levels for the target of 59.80 and 59.99 levels. Thank you.